Hello my dear students and friends, welcome back. Uh, of course you have got that video on internet, and definitely it means you have been looking for a teacher who can help you to learn English, especially or particularly spoken English with Indian accent. So now I would like myself to introduce to you. I am Subodh Maheshwari from India, and I have been an English teacher for the last 28 or 29 years. And for the last 10 years, I have been teaching English online through Skype. You may go through my channel and you may watch the live recordings of the class with my students from different countries. And if you have been working with some department offices where you have to deal with your Indian clients or the Indian subordinates or whoever they may be, means if you have to learn English with Indian accent, then definitely I can help you to learn English with Indian accent. I have taught many students who wanted to learn English with Indian accent. You may go through my channel and you may watch the live recording of the videos there on my channel with the students from different countries. So if you think you would like to talk to me, then send me a Skype request or send me an email. If you send me a Skype request, I'll accept and we'll talk, and if after talking to me you may decide whether I can help you, and then we can have classes with you. And definitely I am going to customize a course for you as per as your requirement or need. So I have already given my Skype ID and email ID here in that video and below that video. So you may contact me and talk to me, and it will help you to decide whether you should have classes with me. So thanks for watching. Thank you.